Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers, you steal their crates. Now get the move on. Okay, my friends, I made a deal with the New Republic. In exchange for the location of these bounties, I can sell any cargo you find from dead ships. Go now and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Right, pilot. Make the jump to hyperspace. And good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Let's see what it can do. No engineers. Guess Hondo won't be getting any crates. Gunners, take out those scouts. Focus up, gunners. Enough practice. We're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. Catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. Escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Launching home beacons now. We can only follow one. Grogu, you pick. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Endor. Good choice, kid. Make the jet to light speed. Death Star. Our bounties trying to hide. Pilots heading to the wreckage, but be on alert. It's okay, kid. You're safe with me. They clocked us. Let pilot hit the boosters. Gunners, you're up. Stay on target. You're not gonna make it. Let's pilot. Hit the boosters. That's fine. Grogu, open the hatch. Retrieving the bounty. Now. Time to fly back to it. We're caught in a tractor beam. We have to get out of here. Gunners, release the torpedo. Now. Great shot. Let's head over before there's any more surprises. Make the jet to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Yeah, go pilots!
Eddie, great.
We were a little busy, Hondo.
Of course, no problem. After all, we are splitting the bounty credits.
Grogu and I will hand over the pirate to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.